Hello, my classics! It's Alona again, and I am actually in my living room for once. I'm going to try this look, and I've got a reference picture in front of me, and I'm going to just hopefully rock it. So I can see that it is bold and rainbowy and kind of precise, and it looks like the eyeliner actually dips down, making a much more dramatic corner of the eye. We're going to try our best here. This is going to take me into new territories, and when I was filming it earlier, got rainbow in on my contact lens, so that was, oh, a joy. I'm going to apply eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid. This is actually one that I've never used before. This is the Ulta Beauty Tinted Eyeshadow Primer in Peach Glow. It's a cute little bottle. This is just like, I think it's just a sampler size. I'm gonna apply that as high up as I dare go. It is a cute little color. It's just, see, it's just tinted, and I could see it definitely accentuating any skin color. It's one of those colors where you really can't go wrong. If you're wondering at the quality, I actually just got a new webcam. My old cam, which was my original camera, if you remember, has actually bit the dust. I was still using it for web camming and like Skype calls and stuff, but it died, so it's like, you know, whatever. I'm going to, of course, go ahead and grab my Morphe Color Burst palette, and we're just gonna go to town. They never name these bigger palettes and colors. They never give the colors names. This is a little greasy on the primer, if you ask me. This is not one that I usually use, so my instinct is to start like on the inner corners and work my way out. But at the same time, I know that's not necessarily a great idea. I don't have any really bright yellows, I don't think. So I'm going to be doing, it's not a really pale yellow, but I'm going to use the yellow in this palette, which as you know is this color. So I'm going to start there. Just pat that on. I'm looking at the picture. I think what they did was they swooped blue low. I'm taking a bright blue. To just past the middle blue. And I'm just going to pat. Now, this looks like a mess yet, but it's gonna look better. Alright, now I'm going to take a slightly, somewhat fluffier brush. I'm going to try to take a paler pink and sort of blend out the pink a bit. And I'm going to blend out the yellow with a bit of white, actually. Alright. Now, looking at this right, we need to carve out the edge. I'm going to add a little bit of my concealer to the back of my hand. With a brush. And just . Then we just take a nice fluffy brush. And we sort of pat that into the edges. Just nice and easy right along the edge of where we just carved. You know what that was? That was HQ. It's a, first of all, I'd like to say not sponsored, but it is a game that you can win real money with. Now over to the other side. Just again taking the same soft pink that we blended the edge out with. Like if you need to use a blush, no big deal. We're just going to gently pat that onto the very edge. So I'm very, very carefully, I know you can't really tell this is a round brush, but I'm very carefully trying to just get that edge. I'm tapping off any excess. And now to do the lower lash line. This is where things might get a little tricky actually. Now fun fact, I do have some new things I'm going to be trying in the very near future as well. Looking forward to that a lot. I'm going to have to get away. Just going to, it looks like she's got the yellow like connected down here. It looks like the yellow kind of blends into the pink. She's not connected, she's just kind of left it out. I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to take that, I'm going to take the hot pink and put it on the end. I'm just going to try to like create a little whoop. And I am using a smudger brush to kind of like make the initial boop outwards. And then I just take this flat, it's a liner brush. And now I'm just going to take a lighter pink, like a blush, and put it onto that and just kind of like soften that a bit. Because otherwise it's gonna be hard. So now we have that part. And now we're gonna get to the more precise parts real quick. Now she's got hers drooping up, so I'm going to try to mimic that. Then we're just going to make this a pretty cool and dramatic cat eye. Okay, none of that. Scare me half to death. Gonna keep going. And now we have a bird eye. Oh goodness, that's complicated work. In the eye. Oh, you can see it. I feel like I failed at this corner compared to this one. I do not believe for an instant the person in the picture did her own makeup. I'll be right back with the rest of my makeup and then the outro. Haha, I lied. I am not back for the outro. But I do realize that the picture has falsies on. And I just happen to have these nice new Ardell natural falsies and the Ardell brush on stuff. I have yet to successfully wear falsies. These ones have a nice thin band, very, user friendly. I really think that this eye turned out better. That smells like berries. How weird is that? Blistered back. blister packs are literally the bane of my existence. As somebody who wishes that she could draw her freaking nails out, I'm gonna do this right. Now, fun fact, I've actually cut my eye with, oh mama, $100,000 prize. Hey, guess what? HQ, add me. I'm Classic Alana, that's my code. It's one word there. So, add me. We'll both gain extra lives and stuff from what I've been told. I'm going to apply my mascara. Oh, that already added so much. These will fit. Yeah, they'll fit. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. These ones are indeed meant to look natural. They just add some natural fullness to the eyes. I'm still struggling to get the second one off the little plastic tray. If you are wondering where I got my new webcam from, I will provide a link down below. Well, that didn't turn out too bad. Alright, I'll finish my face now and I'll see you in the outro. Alright everybody, I really hope you liked this video because I really enjoyed this. I was scared of it, and yeah, it took me a couple of tries and a lot of trial and error, and there, of course, I had a little difficulty, but I did try a few new techniques out. I've never carved the eye before like that, but I've seen it done a lot. So I was really, really excited about that. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. If I get 1,000 subscribers by Christmas Day, I'll do one of 3 things and you get to choose which one. And please be sure to hit that notification bell as well, because if you don't, the algorithm doesn't let you know when I post. So do that. Go for it, because we do a lot of fun things. I still love you. Always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.